this is cool. I get a little bag. What size are these? Well, it should say both of them is 9. You need something to put in my pocket? I got you. It's in here. Oh, the little shoestring thing. Got brown and orange reddish laces. These shoes are cool, y'all. Oh, it got a zipper pocket side too. This is really extra. Like, what am I, y'all, what am I keeping here? What am I keeping in this side zipper pocket? That's hilarious. I gotta try these on. These some big shoes though. I'm done. Y'all, these shoes look humongous to me, but I mean, they're super loose. Like y'all can see how it's going out right here. It's like it's not tight at all, so I think it would look different once I like tied them right. But these are some like big old stompers, y'all. But I like them though. They remind me of bread loaves. Hey y'all, so today is a part of Spirit Week. I want to show y'all my outfit. So today is astronauts versus aliens. So I pulled this random NASA shirt out because I don't have anything else related to that. And then I got these beige like cargo pants. And then these shoes that I showed y'all the other day because they just beige on beige on beige. So yeah. I didn't know if I told y'all, but my shoes glow in the dark. It's easier to see if you was like actually right here, but the camera's like, you know, cameras see different. So but yeah, it's pretty fluorescent. I didn't know if I told y'all, but I'm also running for my school's 12th grade ASB representative. So I made a little promotional poster to put in the hallway. Yeah, for 12th grade ASB representative, vote me. And it got all the little colors around it. People especially liked this one, and that one, and that one. I knew people would like that, so that's why I put it on there, because people like stupid stuff. So but yeah, I'm gonna make another one, maybe not identical, but a similar one, so that I can have multiple posters around the school, spread some propaganda for myself. So yeah.